How to fix Roblox freezing and lag issues. Welcome back, tech lovers, to another Teknobalta fix. Today we fix that frustrating Roblox freezing issue that keeps users from enjoying their game time. Are you facing errors where your character moves, but everyone else is completely frozen on screen? You try to launch Roblox, eager to jump into your favorite game. But then, after just a few minutes, or sometimes instantly, the world around you freezes solid. Your character can still move, you can look around, but all other players are suspended in midair. NPCs are stuck, and interactive elements stop responding. It's like being in a time warp, but only you're affected. Users tell me they've been pulling their hair out over this for weeks, even months. You might have already tried troubleshooting your system. Perhaps you upgraded your Windows from 10 to 11, hoping a fresh OS would resolve it. You probably updated all your graphics drivers, network drivers, everything you can think of. Some of you might have even experimented with network tools like GoodbyeDPI, uninstalling and reinstalling multiple times. Did you try using various VPN services, thinking it might be a regional block? Yet, despite all these efforts, the freezing persists, exclusively in Roblox. Other games run perfectly fine without any network issues or graphical glitches. This points directly to a specific issue with Roblox and how it interacts with your network. Many users report this happening specifically with certain internet service providers. They've even called their ISP, had technicians check the modem and cables, only to be told everything is fine on their end. This makes the situation even more baffling and frustrating for players. But don't panic, guys, we fixed this. The core of this problem often lies in network routing or potential soft blocks from your ISP, specifically targeting Roblox traffic. Sometimes, regional restrictions or routing inefficiencies can cause these desynchronization issues. When your game data can't reach the Roblox servers efficiently, your client keeps moving, but the server state doesn't update, causing others to freeze. Here is the fix. We are going to use Cloudflare Warp to bypass these potential network bottlenecks. First, open your preferred web browser. Whether you use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser, make sure it's ready. You need to ensure you have an active internet connection to proceed with the download. Now, move your cursor to the address bar at the very top of your browser window. Carefully type in the official website for Cloudflare Warp. You should type cloudflarewarp.com and then press enter. Alternatively, you can go to your favorite search engine, like Google, and type Cloudflare Warp download into the search bar. Then click on the official link that appears in the search results. Once you are on the Cloudflare Warp website, take a moment to look around. You'll need to locate the download section for the application. Look for options labeled Download for Windows or similar. There might be downloads available for various operating systems, so ensure you select the correct one for Windows. Find the prominent Download button, usually a blue or green button, and click it precisely. The file should start downloading to your computer's Downloads folder or wherever your browser is configured to save files. Wait patiently for the download to complete. The file size is relatively small. Once the download is finished, navigate to your Downloads folder. You will find an executable file, usually named something like Cloudflare_warp_release.exe. Double-click on this executable file to initiate the installation process. Your operating system might display a user account control prompt. This prompt asks if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. It is crucial that you click Yes to proceed with the installation. The Cloudflare Warp Setup wizard will now appear on your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The installation process is generally straightforward. You will likely click Next, Agree, and then Install. Make sure to read any prompts, but typically, the default options are perfectly fine for most users. Allow the installer to complete the process. This might take a minute or two, depending on your system speed. Once the installation is complete, Cloudflare Warp should automatically launch. If it doesn't, don't worry. Go to your Start menu, search for Cloudflare Warp, and click on its icon to open it. You will see a very simple user interface, often with a large toggle switch or a button to activate the service. Locate this button, which usually says Connected or Disconnected. Toggle it to the on position to enable the Warp service. This action will route your internet traffic through Cloudflare's optimized network. It effectively bypasses any local ISP restrictions or poor routing that might be affecting your Roblox connection. You can also confirm that Warp is active by checking your network status or your public IP address. Your IP address might appear different, indicating that your traffic is indeed being routed through Cloudflare servers. This is a good sign that the service is working as intended. Now that Cloudflare Warp is active, it's time to test the fix. Launch the Roblox client again, as you normally would. Jump into your favorite game and observe the performance. You should notice a significant reduction, if not a complete elimination, of the freezing issue. Your character should move freely, and all other players and objects in the game world should interact smoothly. The problem solved. Cloudflare Warp provides a more stable and direct connection to the game servers. This bypasses those problematic network paths. If you still experience occasional lag spikes, that might be due to server load, but the constant freezing should be gone. Stay tuned for more quick fixes and tech solutions. Subscribe for more tech wisdom. Teknobalta out.